Hey, this is Jeff from Jeff Racing to the Top. The end of August race. Man, am I disappointed. But it was still fun. I didn't get spun out. I hit a couple of walls. Anyway, yeah, all right. So it's just going to be me checking over the car. I know I broke some stuff. I'm going to fix stuff. But I also want to set up the rear. I put some thought into this. So the rear, I'm pretty sure the rear tires are pointing in every which direction, in the general direction it's supposed to go. But maybe I should take some measurements down, write it down, and go over it and see what I can do to improve the rear. Because I got some plans for next year, and hopefully it pans out. But, hey. Briefly went over the vehicle. This is what I found so far. The right rear, the rim got egg-shaped, so it's hitting the caliper, a certain high spot or low spot, whatever the case may be. Let's see, the right front tie rod, inner and outer, well, I'm probably gonna get both, inner and outer tie rod, that's pretty bent up. The driver's side motor mount, the rubber has torn, so it's not even attached no more. I'll probably get the passenger side one anyway. I mean, it's the same number, I think. So I'll probably get 2 more of those. And oh yeah, and the rear diff, I just sprayed it with some lube, but the rubber is coming out. I think I could get away with 1 more race and doing that and do that on the off season. But that's a lot of work. I'm gonna try and make it out for the next race. It's in a week and a half. So depending on when the parts get here, it don't seem like a lot of work. And this is getting a little too bent for me. It's for what I want to do. I want to try and align it a little better, especially in the rear, and see how that feels. So I need to get that done. Oof. Oh man, thank goodness I'm picking up some extra shifts, but it's gonna be a tight one. I don't know. I want to. I don't want to negative it yet, but I want to make it to the next race. But it's not looking pretty good. Just to give an update, I got both front motor mounts in, the right side inner and outer tie rod. Thank goodness I did get 2 motor mounts, even though the other one didn't look broke. But yeah, it's definitely, both of them were definitely broke. The other one just showed it more because it was off place. But I'm gonna try to adjust the front end today. I want to adjust the rear first, see how that goes compared to the front. try to make it as straight as possible. Let's see. We're replacing this rear arm. I tried it last time. This bolt right here gets caught. It's just too long and it hit the differential housing, but I'm gonna have to get it done today. So, I gotta figure a way out, right? Just finished up the left rear lower control arm. While doing so, found some bushings for the rear diff attaching to the subframe. They're pretty bad. The one in the very back is almost gone. It's barely on there. I got to get that done before the next race season. Hopefully I get it done over the winter. I have the bushing, but it is what it is. I wanted to measure for the alignment purposes, but I ran out of time. I want to take a little bit of a break before work later tonight, so I'm gonna head home. But if you've watched it to the end of this video, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the racetrack.